Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set pin lock password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, in your phone, open settings. Then go to lock screen. And here select screen lock and biometrics. And here just select pin. And type your desired pin. Here I type 1984 and click on continue. Again type the same pin to verify. So again I got to give 1984. If you type any other, then it will not be set. Okay, so give the same password. Yes, now it is set. Now if you lock your phone, you need to enter your pin to unlock. Okay, see, locked, and while unlocking it is asking pin. So what pin you set, just give it and it will open. Give it and click on OK, and yes, it is unlocked. So in this way you can easily set a pin for your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.